Good morning, everybody. Well, I think this electroculture experiment of mine has gone a little bonkers. So my fridge is overflowing with courgettes and cucumbers, and I haven't picked any for about 3 days because there's too many in the fridge. And this is the harvest I've got this morning. This is from 6 courgette plants and 4 cucumber plants. I am harvesting stuff like this every few days. I can't eat all of this, so I'm absolutely delighted to be taking this down to the Chard Community Hub this morning. So electroculture absolutely rocks. Look at these results. I mean, the size of these courgettes look like marrows now, are just insane. Have a beautiful day.